Yeah, what is up, everybody? Take a look. I did went to a fry store and take a look, man. This is exclusive to fries. This is the roller toaster. It comes in a gold color. It's alright, casting. You know what I'm saying? But take a look. When this one is under the sun, it looks great, man. This is a nice paint job. This is the Cadillac. Very cool casting with the headlights being lenses, and it does have the Cadillac emblem on the grill. It's got some side tampos, red interior. Very nice casting as well, and it just looks great. Cadillac from Hot Wheels Race Day. And also another exclusive. This is the Ford Mustang from the Hot Wheels Game Over. Very nice. No tampons on the front. Damn, look at those headlights. And take a look at the back and the sides. This thing is very nice, very neat. Yeah. HWGRFX. Probably for Hot Wheels graphics. And the number 2. But yeah, man. Another exclusive to the fries. And this is a 71 El Camino, which of course I bought an extra for Mike Dyson. So this is also going your way, man. Tomorrow I'm gonna be off, so definitely I will send that package tomorrow for sure, man. And like I have been saying, man, thank you for being patient. But yeah, man, this is an exclusive, and I know you like El Caminos, so I got one of these for you going your way. Very nice for sure, with the light blue tint, and just like you like them, bro, with the flames. So yeah, and take a look, man. These fries did have 71 Datsuns, which I grabbed a few, and so I'm sending some to yeah, I'm shipping some to North Carolina, or one of them at least. The other one we'll see if my friend David has some. If not, I'll go ahead and give him another one, because I got 4. But yeah, man, these things go by fast. Take a look at the interior, man. Gold with the 51 on the door. Very nice. Very nice. 71 Datsun 510 wagon. And that looks like that's the only tampos, just on the side, nothing on the front or the top or the back. But yeah, man, very nice casting for sure. And I found these 2 that were stashed, so whoever stashed them, I appreciate you, man, because you stashed them, but you stashed them for me. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I don't know, man. I feel bad because he's gonna go and they're gonna be gone, but I feel good because I got to find them, because there were none on the shipper, and there were just like there were several of the Datsuns, but like I said, I only grabbed 4 for $150 each. That's not bad, but I mean, I don't need that many. So yeah, this is my haul. 2 chasers. I got a total of 4 of the Datsuns and 2 of each for these ones, and I extra one El Camino for Mike Tyson. But yeah, there were some other one, same castings. There were a lot of these ones for sure. Just the chasers were gone, and then most of the Datsuns were gone for sure. But yeah, man. Anyways, just wanted to give you guys a quick glance at what I got today. But as always, man, thank you guys for watching, and yeah, stay hunting, man. Yeah.